Transformational Stories. Dr. Maria Pramila, Personal Finance Insurance Expert.
Good day to all of you. My name is Rayan. I enrolled with Dr. Maria for her Money Mastery program for the month of August, which is a 30-day program with a daily challenge based on financial planning, where a lot of aspects on budgeting, tax planning, increasing passive sources of income, succession planning, a lot of various topics where she has covered it and compiled it very well, where we discuss on a daily basis, and every day we have a challenge, a task which we need to perform. It has personally helped me a lot, especially to revise a lot of things which probably we are a little complacent on a day-to-day basis, and it has helped me to work on some areas where I felt there was a good information exchange she has given. Highly recommended for all of you who are looking at working on your finances and creating wealth. Thank you.